How to connect ChatGPT to WhatsApp. So as of July 2026, OpenAI has brought back ChatGPT to WhatsApp, but only in the European Economic Area, or the EEA. So if your WhatsApp number is supported, all you need to do is open the WhatsApp application and add the WhatsApp ChatGPT number as a contact. So you want to click on the three vertical dots or the plus button below, and then you want to press new contact, and then you can give it first name chat, last name GPT. It's whatever name you want to use. But for the phone number, make sure to use this phone, +1 800 242 8478, and then you can save this contact. Now, once you've saved the contact, you want to look for it and then click on the contact to start a chat with it. And all you need to do is send a message such as hi, for example. And you can start chatting without using or requiring an actual ChatGPT account. If it's available for your area, you might be able to link your ChatGPT account for extended or higher usage limits. And if you're within the supported areas, you can basically see a link account button. And if you don't see it, you can simply type link account in the chat and send it. And this will guide you through the linking process of your ChatGPT account. Or simply make sure to create an account using your actual phone number on the ChatGPT website and then use the same number here. And that way you can link your account. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.